Welcome back to Garvit Kitchen. Today we're going to make masala tea. Here are our ingredients for 1 cup of tea. For milk, you can either use whole or 2%, 1 green cardamom, 1 clove, loose tea, a little bit of grated ginger, and sugar according to your preference. For 1 cup of tea, you're going to use this amount of water. The rest is filled with milk. The next step is to boil this in a pot. Now turn to high heat. And while it's on high heat, now we're gonna make the masala. You're gonna put 1 clove and 1 cardamom and mash it up. Now put in your masala and your grated ginger. Now that's starting to boil, now you put in the loose tea. Now turn the heat down to low until the color starts to appear. Once your tea looks ready, you can strain it to a cup. Now after that, we can half teaspoon of sugar. Now stir it. Now our tea is ready. You can have this with biscuits, snacks, whatever. It's really good and tastes really nice. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.